you're subscribed to Ideas for Fun, you probably already have a couple good pranks up your sleeve. Want to add some more? Stay tuned for our 9 best pranks. What do yogurt, a sponge, and sprinkles have in common? Give up? They're all ingredients in one nifty prank dessert. Not the best cook? No problem. A seasoned prankster doesn't need to be a seasoned chef. All you need is your love for having a good laugh and some creativity. Hey Nat, I need dessert. Want some? Wow, Jess, that looks delicious. Just wait until you try it. Oh, I forgot to tell you. It's called SpongeBob Strawberry Yogurt Pants. What goes best with your favorite TV shows? That's right, your favorite snacks. Hands off, Ben. Get your own chips. Natalie doesn't share food. Aw, looks like I ran out of Sprite. Don't even think about touching my chips, Ben. I'll be watching you.
What a Scrooge! And what did those ghosts do to Scrooge? Teach him that sharing is caring.
Looks like Operation Mobile Chips is a go. All you need for this one is a small remote-controlled car.
Ladies and gentlemen, please proceed back into the bag. Your moment in the spotlight is yet to come.
How are my chips doing, Ben?
Still where you left them, Nat. For now.
Did you just see that? Ben, look! It's moving!
Natalie, you have got to stop watching those paranormal TV shows.
Look! It's doing it again! I'm calling Ghostbusters!
At long last, come to Papa.
Spring cleaning takes forever, especially if you've got a bit of an OCD streak. I think I'm finally done. That was so exhausting, but so worth it. Jess, check out what I did. Whatever. You don't appreciate me at all. I'll get you back for this. Uh-oh. Looks like Hurricane Natalie is about to become Category 10. Careful you don't fall off, Nat, while reaching for those stars. Jess, come here. Hold this for a sec. I am so over your OCD. Well, I'm over you. Oops, looks like I really messed this one up. The weather in Cleveland will be sunny all day, while Messyville can expect rain and thunderous clouds. Don't forget that umbrella, Jess.
Ugh, the girls are driving me insane with all their primping. It's a total estrogen overload up in here.
Whoa, hear those snores? Looks like Mr. Testosterone isn't the best neighbor either. We have to do something. What do we have here? Hey, Nat, I think Mike could use a new look. Definitely looks like Mike is gonna get a little wake-up surprise. This little piggy went to the market, and this little piggy went home because he was too embarrassed about his nails. Hey, sleepyhead.
How long have I been asleep? I've never seen my nails grow like that before.
There are a number of reasons to avoid mending your socks, It takes time, it takes patience, it takes actual skill. Mike, you know you can just buy new ones, right? Hey, Nat. Is that a quiche? Now, spending your time eating, I can relate to.
When are they gonna invent socks that don't rip? It's the 21st century, man.
Mike, what is wrong with you? I'm eating over here.
Oh, you're frustrated.
I've got just the tutorial for you. You'll be up and running in no time. Some good old ketchup. I'm getting woozy just looking at this. Oh, my poor pinky. Mike, look! If Nat's little tutorial taught Mike anything, it's that he's not cut out to be a doctor. How annoying is it when you're trying to hang out with someone, or even just get their attention, and they're completely and utterly engrossed in their phone? Zoe, can you grab me the cheese, please? My post just got its 1000th like! Thanks, Instastar. I asked for cheese. Looks like Jessica found a different way of getting Zoe's attention. After all, what are friends for if not to offer a helping hand when we most need it? Whoa, that's almost like the real thing. That's not what I asked for. Come on, Zoe, that was good. You should post it on your feed. If you guys think Mike's about to boil those, you couldn't be more wrong. Making noodles requires cooking and cleanup. That doesn't mean he doesn't have major plans for them, though. He's just gonna use them dry.
Ash, help!
What's wrong, Mike?
My neck! I think it's broken! Dinner is served.
You dummy! You are a real pain in my neck!
Yup, that's me!
Fancy losing yourself down the social media rabbit hole late into the night? Better watch your back in this house. Just 5 more minutes.
Attention, pranksters! Your moment in the spotlight has arrived.
Shh! You're supposed to do this quietly.
Oh, fine. Just make the switch.
Nat, wake up! Your phone's blowing up. Hello? Hello? Anyone there? Zoe? If your next victim is a sci-fi lover, better be careful with this one. It might just play on some of their worst fears. Let's see what's new this season. Why is she standing like that? Are her legs on backwards? Is the robot takeover here? Booyah! Alien takeover, Ash!
We're finally here!
Looks like Ashley didn't enjoy that one quite as much as Nat did. Enjoy the bloopers, and remember, best friends deserve only the best pranks. Hit that subscribe button and let us know what kinds of pranks you'd like to see down in the comments.